Welcome to Introduction to JSX. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the purpose of JSX, describe JSX syntax, explain why JSX needs compiled, summarize the benefits of JSX. Essentially, JSX combines JavaScript with HTML. JSX makes building user interfaces more conceptual. It reads similarly to HTML, yet also supports JavaScript expressions. JSX is short for JavaScript Syntax Extension and is also called JavaScript XML. The JSX syntax looks like XML or HTML, using elements enclosed in angle brackets to indicate how the elements appear on screen to the user. Let us look at some sample JSX code. The code shows a construct that displays the heading, "This is a sample JSX code snippet." The code snippet looks like HTML, but note the JavaScript-like variable, which is neither HTML nor JavaScript. It is JSX. You use JSX syntax to create React elements. React then renders these elements to the Document Object Model, or DOM. Browsers don't understand JSX, so you need to use Babel to compile your JSX code and transform it into standard JavaScript objects. The JavaScript engine then parses these objects. Fortunately, you can use the command create React app to handle the compilation. Let's discuss some benefits of using JSX. To start with, people who don't know JavaScript or other programming languages can more readily understand and modify it. People who use markup languages such as HTML will find JSX more familiar than JavaScript alone. When you use a compiler to transform your JSX, you'll find errors earlier that might be difficult to spot otherwise. JSX helps keep code simple and elegant with its use of inline styles. JSX outperforms JavaScript because it optimizes during the translation to JavaScript. Finally, JSX automatically handles output sanitation issues, such as converting expressions to strings, preventing attackers from embedding an executable script before rendering. Now, look at the code for a React component that uses JSX. Compare it to a regular JavaScript function call. This code creates a div element with a list of two items that display items number 1 and 2. The app function contains code that looks extremely similar to plain HTML and uses the same XML-based syntax. This example shows the previous code using JavaScript function calls. You can see how this code is more difficult to read and understand its logic, as well as ugly and difficult to maintain. JSX combines the beauty of HTML with the power of JavaScript. In this video, you learn that JSX reads similarly to HTML. JSX uses HTML elements combined with JavaScript expressions. JSX relies on compilers to transform HTML-like text into standard JavaScript objects. The benefits of using JSX include easily readable code, error identification, improved performance, added security.